welcome to another episode of Homescape Realty. Today we are here in Ayala Alabang Village, Muntinlupa City to show you this brand new, smart, modern tropical home. But first, click subscribe and follow us on our social media accounts. And please visit our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph for complete property listings. Let's begin our tour. By the way, this is a corner property. Dito sa harapan, facing east, and on the other side, facing north naman. On the left side, you have this entrance for your 8 to 10 car garage with your automated gate. From your pedestrian gate, 5 steps up. By the way, you have these homogeneous tiles with rough texture para non-skid materials mga dadaan dito. You also have your pocket garden in front of the property, your covered main door and your porch, and we have this pathway going dun sa inyong swimming pool and your covered lanai. So we have this pathway. Kaya ang ganda nung temperature dun sa loob ng property because of the surrounding garden on either side of this house. So we have this pathway, ayan. Ganda nung landscape garden on this side. Napakalinis, no? And well-balanced. Well thought of in design. Ganda ng color combination. So you have your access going to your lanai and swimming pool. So if you have visitors with you and gusto niyo i-preserve yung privacy of your home, pwede silang dumaan dito. And going back to your porch, again, covered itong space na ito. Your huge solid wood main door with your modern door lock. Pasok tayo and welcome to your home. Upon entering from your main door, you will be welcomed by your receiving area dito sa inyong ground floor or itong inyong atrium or receiving space. We already have these furnitures and lots of natural light initial reaction with your double height ceiling. Ang ganda rin ng cross ventilation in this space because of the surrounding huge glass panels and itong inyong sliding door which is facing dito sa inyong covered lanai and swimming pool. On my right side, we have this space, itong inyong formal dining, your main kitchen, and your auxiliary kitchen or the chef's kitchen which pwedeng mag-prepare dun yung inyong personal chef if you have lots of guests. And on this side of the property naman, nandito yung inyong bedroom 1 located here dito sa ground floor and your family area. So tingnan muna natin to. So itong bedroom 1 which plays an important role in this property because if you have elderlies with you, they can conveniently stay here dito sa inyong bedroom 1 which is nandito rin yung focal point ng property which itong inyong buong ground floor which is nandun yung inyong mga activities like yung dining area, the kitchen, and the swimming pool. The location of your bed frame, fronting dito sa inyong built-in media wall with shelves, cove light para dito sa inyong drop ceiling design. And you can also notice in this bedroom, malalaki yung kanilang mga awning windows which allows lots of natural light and the view ng inyong side garden. You can also notice for the flooring, we have this laminated, high-end laminated wood. Ang ganda ng haspi nila for the wood grain design. On this side, ito naman yung inyong walk-in closet para mas well-organized yung inyong bedroom dito sa buong property. So each bedroom has its own walk-in closet, no? And you can also notice itong kanilang high gloss finish for the cabinet. So these are modular with cove light, with drawers and soft close hinges. Okay? And adjacent in this space, ito naman yung inyong ensuite toilet and bath, your water closet or the shower space with enclosure and rainfall type of shower head, your lavatory, your water closet. So lahat ng kanilang toilet and bath in this property has a built-in multi-point heater. Ayan, so talagang personal na gamit na lang yung dadalhin niya. A floor-to-ceiling cabinet then so lots of storage space. So coming from your bedroom 1, pabalik tayo in this space. Let's close this door. By the way, for the flooring dito sa ground floor, imported tiles or imported stone like parang Italian tiles with high gloss finish with marble grain design. Your accent wall. So coming from your atrium or your receiving area, ito naman yung inyong family area. So for the family area, built-in media wall with your shelves. For your huge television set, nandito rin yung inyong control para sa inyong CCTV camera. In each side of this room, we have huge glass panels. Itong inyong access going to your lanai and swimming pool area. And by the way, for dito sa mga kanilang frame ng inyong aluminum, these are high-end aluminum with tempered glass. So ito yung mga ginagamit sa mga hotel, ng mga 5-star hotel. Napaka-sturdy hawakan and high-end yung quality talaga. Huge windows on either side. Again, it connects yung outdoor space so you have the view ng inyong side garden. Napaka-aliwalas. Again, for the flooring, high-end laminated wood. So for this room, meron na rin tayong huge split-type AC. And in this area, ito naman yung inyong covered lanai. Covered from outside elements by a canopy coming from your second floor. Ang ganda rin ng kanilang ceiling with wood panels installed. Add some warm and cozy vibe in this space. Perfect spot for your alfresco dining area. It can cater up to 10-seater dining table. You also have your built-in or pipe-in speakers to set up the mood in this space. And of course, one of the focal point of this property is your swimming pool with your fountain. Ganda, no? So in every common area of this property, we have an access going to your formal dining, your kitchen. So ang ganda ng airflow and natural light for the entire property. No? Ang ganda ng kanilang cross ventilation. And of course, for the outdoor space nitong property, ito naman yung inyong open area, which itong inyong magiging backyard garden with your WPC flooring or wood plastic composite combination of plastic fibers and wood elements. And your pathway coming from your gate. So this is a corner property. You're facing north side and facing east side, no, for the frontage. And surrounded by these side garden. Ang ganda. Balancing design itong property na ito. And adjacent naman dito sa inyong atrium or receiving area, itong inyong formal dining. So for the formal dining, kasya dito yung inyong 10-seater dining table. You have your drop ceiling design, pipe-in speakers in each corner of this property or in this room. Your floor-mounted AC with enclosure para hindi ganong eyesore, no? And of course, itong inyong laminated or your accent wall. Napakaganda nitong natural stone cladding. And again, katulad nga no, sabi ko kanina, no, in each side of this property or itong mga common area dito sa ground floor, we have an access going to your swimming pool or lanai. So para mas madali mag-entertain yung guests niyo dito, so kunyari man you have your alfresco dining in this space. So you have also your endless transition from outdoor to indoor, no? Ang ganda. And by the way, one of the crucial detail nitong property, mapapansin niyo yung mga kanilang enclosure in each space dito sa ground floor. Ito kanilang sliding door, ang railings niya nandun sa itaas instead na nandito sa baba. So para mas walang disturbance sa mga wheelchair or sa mga naglalakad in this area. And of course, ang ganda rin nung side view, no, diretso lang, napakalinis tignan. Very high-end talaga yung vibe. Adjacent naman dito sa inyong formal dining is your main kitchen. Lots of counter space for your food preparation. Your integrated induction cook hub with your hanging range food. And at my back is itong inyong floor-to-ceiling cabinet. Lots of storage space for the pantry. And so you have this pull rack cabinet para sa inyong dry goods or canned goods. Or kung ano man yung ilalagay nyo rito. So you have your high gloss finish modular cabinet. Very high-end, no? The location of your other appliances like your microwave and oven. Again, we have your built-in shelves for your other goods dito sa inyong main kitchen. Your two-door refrigerator. Lots of storage space para sa inyong ano. So we have these drawers for your ingredients, mga spices ninyo like this one. Very organized, ang ganda. We have additional drawers para sa other accessories ninyo or mga gagamitin nyo ba in this kitchen. Again, floor-to-ceiling cabinet. Grabe, no? With cove lights. So, ayan. Soft close hinges for your drawers. And by the way, para dito sa ating marble counter with your dual sink, with multipurpose faucet, we have itong inyong circular shape na breakfast nook. Well, it balance yung or nagko-contrast sa mga shapes in this area. Like, kunyari man itong mga rectangular, parang it soften this area. Like this one, itong inyong breakfast nook. Kapakagandang tingnan. And for the heavy cooking, kunyari man, you have your personal chef with you. You have lots of guests. Ito naman yung inyong auxiliary kitchen with your double swing door. Upon entering, itong on the right side, your walk-in pantry para mas madali mag-organize ng goods. Your chef's kitchen. Stainless steel, yung kanilang cabinet, yung kanilang counter. Ganun din with your heavy-duty range hood with your 5 gas burners. Ganda, no? And additional space maybe for your second refrigerator or chest-type freezer. Surrounded na rin ito by these windows para mas maganda yung cross ventilation and natural light. Ganda rin ng triangle method in this space. No? Ang ganda nung allotted space for this area. So you have your double swing door. And itong swing door naman na ito connects dito sa inyong hallway going to your powder room. So ayan. So we have this powder room. On either side, floor to ceiling natural stone or itong mga natural claddings, napakaganda, no? Your wall hang male urinal, your water closet, and your lavatory with your modern vanity area or vanity mirror. So bago tayo bumaba dun sa inyong basement, I'd like to highlight this particular feature of this property, which is itong inyong elevator. So itong elevator, it serves from the basement up to the top level, which is dun sa inyong third floor. And the brand na ginamit nila for the elevator is Aritco or the Swedish brand, which is ito yung mga one of the high-end brand for the elevator dito sa bansa natin or itong yung home lift. Okay, so nakita nyo na yung powder room dito sa inyong ground floor. Baba naman tayo dito sa basement. So, nandito naman yung inyong mga service area and of course, your 8 to 10 car garage. So, upon reaching here dito sa inyong basement, you have this sliding door with an access going to your 8 to 10 car garage. So, kasya dito yung inyong 10 car garage. Well, depende sa size. For the flooring, homogeneous tiles with rough texture. Ang ganda rin ng ceiling height dito sa inyong basement. We have this door para sa inyong storage room, para dito sa inyong garage with your built-in shelves. Ayan. And in this area naman, additional room maybe for your male staff quarters or female staff. There are common toilet and bath. Yung electrical utilities ninyo. Another room for your female staff. So, luwag din ng kanilang mga rooms, no, with own toilet and bath. And the laundry area. Well, dito naman sila pwede magluto kapag if, for example, you're out of the country, nakalak yung buong bahay. So, pwede sila magluto rito ng kanilang pagkain. They have this stainless counter with cabinet and the location of your laundry. Okay, so balik tayo dito sa inyong loob ng inyong hallway. Okay, so going back, again, you will be greeted by your accent wall and your elevator dito sa inyong basement. So we have this only room here sa inyong basement. Well, you can also utilize this space as another bedroom. Well, but for me, this is a man cave. Okay? We have itong inyong shelves for your television set and your media wall. Ganda rin ng lighting. Well, you can also utilize this space as your movie room. Well, again, depende sa inyo. Additional cabinet para sa inyong... Wow! So, dito niyo ilalagay yung inyong So, pwede niyo itong gamitin as the bar or the man cave. You have these racks para sa inyong wine. Well, kung anong gusto niyo ilagay dito sa inyong shelves with cove light, napakaganda. You also have your floor-mounted AC with enclosure. Okay, so let's go back dun sa inyong ground floor. Going back dito sa inyong ground floor, so let's go up dun sa inyong second floor, wherein nandun naman yung inyong mga private areas like yung mga bedrooms. For the stairs, solid na wood planks for the staircase. Ganon din with your handrails, with your metal balustrades, and cove light underneath. Ganda, no? So, let's go up. It adds some character itong ganitong klaseng spiral, no? Napakagandang tingnan. And of course, lots of natural light in this space because of the huge glass panels installed. And here's the second level. We have 4 bedrooms with ensuite toilet and bath each. We still have your elevator. By the way, your indoor balcony facing or with the commanding view nitong inyong atrium or receiving space. Your track lights installed with wood panels and a provision for your chandelier. And aside dun sa 4 bedrooms with ensuite toilet and bath each, we have this balcony. And for the balcony, you have the view nung inyong backyard garden and your swimming pool. Of course, covered kayo by outside elements because of your canopy, which has again itong inyong merong ulit kayong wood panels installed with LED lights. Well, warm and cozy vibe talaga in this space. And again, sa mga sliding doors nila and glass panels installed, these are tempered glass and high-end aluminum. So, tingnan natin itong inyong master bedroom or your bedroom 2. And bago tayo pumasok dito sa inyong master bedroom, you can also notice yung mga spacious hallway nila with lots of natural light coming from either side of the property, which has itong mga balcony and huge sliding doors. Okay, so this is your bedroom 2 or your master bedroom. Of course, master bedroom yung pinakamalaki in terms of bedroom size. You also have this panoramic corner window facing dito sa facade ng property, which is facing east. Your built-in media wall with your shelves, your king-size bed. You also have your drop ceiling design with cove light. Ang ganda ng space na ito. Well, wala akong masabi kung hindi maganda talaga. High-end, ang ganda ng balance, ang ganda ng contrast in each area of this property. Your huge split-type AC and your couch with your center table fronting dito sa inyong huge sliding door. And of course, your master toilet and bath. Your lavatory or your water closet rather, your wall hang male urinal, the shower space with enclosure, with your rainfall type of shower head, with your bench. So if you're looking up to 20 years, pwede kayong tumanda in this house with your bench. So para mas convenient, no? For efficient gumamit para hindi madulas. You have your bathtub, your dual lavatory with your huge vanity mirror, and of course itong inyong your spacious walk-in closet. So lots of storage space on either side, your see-through cabinets, your island counter for your jewelries or watches, or vanity area with your modern vanity mirror. You also have your transom window for proper ventilation and natural light. So coming from your master bedroom, tignan naman natin yung bedroom 3. By the way, for the flooring dito sa second floor, high-end laminated board or engineered wood for the whole second floor. Okay, so on the other side ito ng master bedroom, itong inyong bedroom 3. This is one of my favorite bedroom in this house. Bukod dun sa inyong master bedroom because it has a loft type. Ayan. So take note for the bedroom 3, it has a loft type that connects you from the third floor. Mamaya pakita ko sa inyo yan. So this is the location of your bed frame. Your split type AC for this bedroom. Of course, you have your stairs going up, pero mamaya na natin tignan. Your walk-in closet, your Duravit lavatory, your water closet, and your shower space with rainfall type of shower head. Again, in each toilet and bath in this house, lahat meron silang multi-point heaters. Okay, so tingnan natin yung other bedrooms. We have this another storage room dito sa second floor with built-in shelves. So, perfect spot ito for your linens para mas well organized, no? So, coming from your bedroom 3, your linen room, this is your bedroom 4. For the bedroom 4, facing dito sa facade ng property, location of your king-size bed, you have your split-type AC, panoramic corner window with high-end aluminum frame and tempered glass with built-in screen. You also have these shelves, maybe pwede nyong utilize as your cushion bench. Well, depende sa inyo, no? While enjoying the outdoor, yung natural light, no? Perfect spot to read your books. And of course, you still have your itong inyong walk-in closet and your ensuite toilet and bath. Okay, so coming from your bedroom 4, tignan naman natin dito yung bedroom 5. And mapapansin nyo rin, no, in every corner of this property, we have this kind of accent walls. Parang ano talaga, it adds some character to the space, additional natural texture. Napaka-balanse nitong bahay na to. This is one of my favorite house here in Ayala, Alabang. Your spacious walk-in closet, so take note of that na even the common bedrooms in this house, you have that kind of walk-in closet. Napaka-elegante tignan. Your water closet, lavatory, and again, your shower space. Even the small detail dito sa mga indoor doors nila, napakaganda. Napaka-detalyado. The location of your bed frame, your AC, your media wall with your cabinet, and for this room, we have this floor-to-ceiling window facing dito sa inyong swimming pool. So we're almost done here dito sa second floor. Again, you have this additional room for your linens or as a storage room, maybe for your Christmas lights or Christmas trees. You still have your elevator dito sa second floor. Ito yung kanina dinaan natin na spiral stairs. Let's go up naman dun sa inyong third floor. Solid wood para dito sa inyong staircase. Ganoon din with the riser. Your metal handrails. You also have your step lights installed. So dito sa third floor, ito yung inyong family area. Well, first, tingnan muna natin ito. So this is your kitchenette dito sa third floor para mas madali mag-serve ng food sa inyong guests, no? Counter for your food preparation with your cabinet. Your floor-mounted AC with enclosure. And one of the focal point of this house, itong yung third floor wherein pwede kayo mag-converge as a family, enjoy the huge television set or your projector. Pwede nyong gamitin ito as your movie room or maybe as a gym. Well, depende sa inyo, no? So we have your built-in media wall with your shelves. Ganda ng space na ito. You also have track lights installed. For the flooring, natural stone with matte texture. Napaka-elegante tingnan, no? Okay. So we have this bedroom or this room dito sa inyong third floor. So coming from your kitchenette area, ito naman yung inyong pwedeng gamitin as the guest room or, well, depende sa inyo kung paano nyo gustong i-maximize this space. We have your panoramic window, maybe the location of additional bed or bed frame. You still have your split type AC, your high-end engineered wood for the flooring. So that's your bedroom 6, no? Sobra na rin naman yung bedroom 6. Well, pwede nyo gamitin yan as your guest room because of this common toilet and bath with your sauna. Sauna bath. Your shower space with enclosure. Okay, so on this side naman, dito sa inyong third floor, you can utilize this space as your office. Well, again, depende sa inyo, no? Nag-base lang ako dito sa inyong door which is tempered glass, kaya parang office yung dating sa akin. You have an access going to this balcony dito sa inyong roof deck or third floor. Ayan. For the handrails, frameless tempered glass. Coming from your office, and for this door, ito yung connected dun sa inyong bedroom 3, dun sa second floor. So, ito yung inyong magiging anteroom or the waiting area or an entertainment area for that bedroom with loft type, no? So, we have this, itong inyong media wall with your shelves. Perfect dito yung inyong couch. You have, again, your split type AC, windows, and of course, itong inyong stairs going down dito sa inyong bedroom 3. Ayan, if you remember that. Ganda rin, no? Kaya favorite ko tong bedroom na ito. Okay, so going back here dito sa pinaka-sentro ng inyong third floor. Again, your family area. Very spacious, no? You still have your elevator dito sa third floor. Again, a Ritco Swedish brand. A very high-end yung brand na yan. And lastly, itong inyong roof deck or your balcony dito sa third floor. Covered pa rin kayo with from outside elements in this space. And for the balcony naman, open air naman yung design nito with your frameless tempered glass as your handrails. Ayan. So we have this corner property. And that concludes our open house tour for today of this brand new, smart, modern tropical home located here in Ayala Alabang Village, Muntinlupa City. If you think this is the right home for you, you may contact us anytime at the numbers listed below the screen. For more details, visit our social media accounts and our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph. Again, my name is Dean, and this has been Homescape Realty, your guide to your real estate needs. Thank you and see you next week.